Danbury Mint in 1 to 24. That is what we have featured today here on Vintage Diecast. Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel where we talk about the history, the popularity, and the value of various vintage diecast toy cars. To start with today, we have the 1957 Dodge Pickup, part of the D series. It featured intricate paintwork and a realistic interior. Alright, the value of one of these in mint condition is between $60 and $150. Next is the Chevy Apache. It features accurate paintwork to the era and a detailed, realistic interior as well. The value of this one mint is between $75 and $150. Next is the Ford Runabout from 1925. Look at the front crank start. It actually moves around. I thought that's a pretty neat feature. The attention to detail here is immaculate. The value of this one is between $50 and $150. Then lastly, the 1951 Ford F100 in dark green. This one is a little bit more rare than the other ones. So the value in good condition is between $75 and $200. Now the prices I'm giving you are in mint condition with the box. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.